Welcome today in front of me Doogee S40, and I'll show you how to check battery health on this device with Ampere app. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search pool just type the Ampere app. Now we have to get this application, so tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on your device. Okay, now just tap to open, and here click yes I agree, be close, and right there on the left down corner tap to OK, and as can you see, your battery health is good. Yeah, so if you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.